Squads, and welcome back to another new video. Today we are out guerrilla whooping. This is the first time I have ever done anything like this, and I've got to be honest, I was incredibly nervous, but I've been watching lots of FPV vegan in recent times, and he has inspired me to try and bring this to the UK. I don't believe anybody, or I've not seen anybody who does it in the UK. So let's try and start a riot. Now, maybe there are other people in the UK. If there are other people in the UK that have done this, drop a comment down below with who they are, because I'd love to follow them, because this was the biggest rush I've had in FPV. So we start initially, and we can see with the drone that there's actually a Christmas market. So we head towards the Christmas market, and obviously what we can see on the footage here is there's 3 police cars, somebody's being arrested, security is absolutely everywhere. And instantly, it makes you feel like, okay, I'm going to look like I'm a criminal because I'm walking past the police and I've got a controller in my hand, I've got goggles on my head, and I've got a 65mm, 20-something gram tiny whoop in my hand. We got past the police, nobody got arrested. Well, I didn't anyway. Unfortunately, there was a guy there that did get arrested. So we fly in the Mobula 6 HD0 today, which, like I say, is about 20 grams. This is the first spot. I'm going to cut my talking and let's hit this. Now, very quickly for spot 2, there was a guy, a bus driver, who let us fly on the bus. Absolutely super cool guy. Unfortunately, the batteries, because I don't use them for a while, were rubbish. I flew on his bus, the wind caught me, I crashed, so then it got put at the back of the bus, and then the battery had died. It was an absolute nightmare, but this bus driver is an absolute legend. Then we moved on to spot number 3, which is, I believe, an abandoned town hall, although I'm not 100% sure myself. It certainly looked abandoned. There was a nice little statue commemorating the war dead at the front, so we paid a little bit of homage and respect to that. And then behind it was a couple of dogs. Now, it was really windy here, so I didn't actually try and fly underneath the holes of those dogs, because there appears to be like pallet spaces where they can be lifted up. But unfortunately, the wind did keep catching it, so maybe next time. We pulled a few tricks, pulled a few stunts, paid respect to the war dead, flew around the dogs a few times, did a few tricks. If anybody can tell me what on earth there's 2 dogs here for, I would love to know. I genuinely have absolutely no idea. And then we moved on, we sent the drone up and we found another spot, like a little museum and art gallery here. Now, we did go in and have a chat with the lovely ladies behind the desk, who I just want to give a special shout out to. Were absolutely two of the friendliest people I have ever met in my entire life. Now, we did ask for permission to fly inside the museum, and unfortunately the manager who could have granted that wasn't actually available, but I did leave them the channel and I do hope they're watching, and I did ask if we can get permission just to drop a comment below, and if we get permission we'll come and fly inside. But for now, we're just going to put some footage of outside up. And while the footage of outside plays, I would just like to thank all of our members, subscribers, people that have viewed any of our videos. We've just hit 15,000 subscribers. And that's why I'm doing this, because you've challenged me to push my boundaries. And I've done that. And I thought, now I need to get out of my comfort zone again, and I need to go again. And that's why I started Guerilla Whooping. It's something I've never done. It's something I've never been really comfortable with even considering doing. So I pushed the boundaries because at the end of the day, you guys have supported me incredibly on this journey, and I just wanted to show you that, look, I will push my boundaries as well. Speaking of members, I do just want to give a shout out to all the members that we've got now. We've got Barry Morgan FPV, Only Drones, Mark Duplex, Dizzy Dean FPV, Han Solo, Not Here, and Phil Anderson. Tiers start from just $1.99 a month. If you want a shout out and some behind the scenes footage, but sometimes early access to videos, then for just $1.99 a month, you can join them on the members bench if you so desire. If not, that's absolutely fine, but please do like, comment, share, subscribe with this video so it will push it to more people who are interested in it. And as we finish the video, it has been an absolute honor and pleasure to be here for the time that we've been here and to provide this footage. There'll be lots more coming. I need new batteries for my tiny whoops because, like I said, the batteries I had were awful. We've met some incredible people today. Towards the end of the video, there is a couple of kids that was interested in the drone. It was a 65mm Mobula 6, like I say. Ultimately, you know, it's 20 grams and it's completely safe to fly around people like this. Did decide just to try and catch the bus at the very end. Probably not advisable, but it's all good, it's all fun, and this is what flying drones is all about. It's about having fun and enjoying yourself. So if you have enjoyed that, please do leave a comment down below and let me know. I do intend to do a lot more of this. This is one of the biggest rushes I've had in FPV for many, many years. I'm not saying FPV's gone stale, but obviously when you fly as much as I do, to do something different and exciting like this really does just add another dimension to it. And like I say, if you do know anybody who else in the UK that Guerilla Whoops, please do leave their channel down in the comments below. You've all been absolutely incredible. I've been Quads. Until next time, peace.